The Nutribullet Triple Prep NBKS50100 is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines a full-size blender, a personal blender, and a food processor in one intelligent power base. With its vessel recognition feature, the system automatically illuminates the precise programs required for each task, ensuring optimal performance and ease of use. The high-performance motor is capable of creating silky smoothies, purées, and nut milks, while also handling precision tasks such as chopping, shredding, slicing, and dicing. For added convenience, the food processor attachment includes a 7-cup work bowl, dual-size food pusher, and various blades for slicing, shredding, chopping, and kneading dough. Constructed from durable, BPA-free high-performance plastic, the pitchers, processor bowl, and cups are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The 64-ounce blending pitcher features a vented snap-on lid for safely blending hot foods, along with an easy pour spout to minimize drips and splatters.